Alright guys, so we're going to be showing you what we've been up to in the past few weeks. It's week 10 of our stay-at-home order, probably 11 by the time that we post this. Who really knows, since time goes by so fast? As of now, some businesses in Chicago are starting to open up. Maybe some restaurants will open up by next week. It all really depends on people's behavior, I guess. Meanwhile, there were some stores still boarded up downtown. Everything from Sephora to the Disney store. It's kind of crazy to see. Our conundrum is, even though things are starting to open up and there are social distancing rules in place, testing is showing how many more cases there are in our city. Over 112,000 last time we checked. The nation as a whole is close to 2 million cases, not to mention those we have lost. Some people are doing their part to help, others seem to have given up or are completely lost on what to do. So we've spent most of our time around our neighborhood in Edgewater. We're usually keeping busy with work or going for the occasional walk. Do it, it's good for you. And you'll find random things like this cool mini library. I spot some travel books in there. And check out this awesome artwork of our city mayor, Mayor Lori Lightfoot. She's great, by the way.
Here's what's up. If I make this shot, you gotta stay home. She shoots, she scores.
Thank you, Mayor Lightfoot, for everything you do. Also, who else has spring fever like us? Man, look at all these tulips. Tulips here, and wait for it, more tulips. Probably our favorite thing in May so far. No, wait. Actually, this is my favorite part of May so far. Now, let's talk about all the food apps making our lives a little bit easier. Do you guys have a favorite? These apps have made it easier to start our new takeout series, Chicago Takeout. Have you seen it? What did you think? Let us know in the comments down below. We also find Instacart very useful. It's very time-saving. Like, the app keeps a list of previous purchases, so it's really super easy to reorder and just a few bucks more get it delivered. This is not sponsored, by the way. The person comes at a scheduled time, and it's time to wipe down those groceries. Chin. And speaking of online purchases, this is Boxu, Japanese way of saying box. A curated subscription box with authentic Japanese snacks and teas. You won't get all those mass-produced items that you can easily get at a Japanese supermarket. Every month has a theme, and there's a magazine giving you all the details of where the snacks come from. Pretty cool, right? Also, not sponsored. If you want to sponsor us, you can do it through kimchiandbeansemail.com. Lastly, let's talk about supermarkets. Mostly everything is back in stock, which is great to see. But people sometimes forget to keep socially distant when purchasing, which is kind of why we go late at night. Meats are in stock, canned goods, pastries, rice, veggies, flour if you're doing a lot of baking. And supermarkets are a bit more prepared to receive customers, which is nice. Oh, if you're looking for masks in Chicago, you might have to venture out to the suburbs and other areas, but you can find them now. We got ours at Tensuke, a Japanese supermarket in Elk Grove Village. And, we got a few other things too. So yeah, that's what we've been doing this past few days, weeks actually. And you know, today Maria and I decided, like, hey, you know, let's go out for a walk, get some exercise. And I guess everybody else had the same idea, but we are wearing our protective gear, so you know, hopefully we'll stay safe and they'll stay safe. But let us know in the comments down below what you guys have been doing to stay safe and what you've been doing during the stay-at-home order. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.